Yeah, I can make werewolves smell like a bee, so that way they don't get her. Or smell like smoke, that way they don't get her. If you have a little bit of smoke smell, then
What about you?
I'll put a little on me too. There we go. Okay, we're just. I'm just gonna.
What are you doing?
Just giving the bees a little smoke.
So they can eat their honey?
Yeah, so they can eat their honey. Okay, we're gonna.
Dad, when you squish that thing, does it spray out smoke?
It does.
How does it do that?
It just pushes air. So when I squish on the little bag thing, it just squishes air.
To get the smoke?
Mm,
Dad,
yeah.
can you hold werewolf? Because I'm going to have to hold the bottle.
Sure. Do you? I think you should do the. You're
yeah.
gonna do the pink one. Okay, go ahead and.
How do you spray it?
Here. You hold this and you push. You wanna come hold my hand and do it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. That looks like a one almost, huh?
Yeah. It just needs a down.
Well, I tried to make the down there, but let's see if I can do it again. There's a one.
Can I see?
Yeah, do you think that one looks better?
Yeah.
Okay. And then I'm gonna do one more.
It smells like strawberry.
Okay, let's do one more on this side. And try, if your fingers, yeah, get close. Your fingers can't be over the nozzle. So here, spray it down and do a one.
Can't push hard enough.
Okay, I'll do it.
You'll hold my hand and do it with me.
Okay, you gotta move your fingers out of the way.
You have to push it. That's better.
Okay, go on.
That's good.
Okay.
Smells
Okay. Okay, you ready?
good.
Two.
Two. Can I do it too?
Yeah, come on to this side.
I said two, and I said, can I do it too?
Let's do this one. Point it straight, yeah. There you go. Oh, get a lot closer. There you go. Good job. Okay, we've got our 2 8-frames and 1 10-frame that we're gonna get going. Got my helper here. And mostly just foundation. There's a couple in there with a little bit more, but not much. Okay, we're gonna get these extra brood chambers on number 1, number 4, number 3, and number 2. Actually, not number 2. It's really weak. Okay, we've got our...
When you do this, it smokes the mold.
You're right. So we've got our brood chamber here that we're going to add to number 3. Just going to open this up and take a look. Now we're just going to have a look to see what kind of action we've been getting. Not much.
Dad, why is there a bee on top of there?
Well, there's bees all over. They've built just a tiny bit, but not much to speak of. What are the bees doing?
They're working.
Oh, they are, yeah.
They're making combs. They're digging in their belly and they're putting it on and patting it in with their head.
Oh, to make the wax, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now got just foundation there, and then comb, 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 fully built out. So pretty calm bees. Do you want to look at a frame now?
Uh-huh.
Okay,
Oh.
walk up real slow to them.
So many.
Yeah, and then I'm gonna work on getting one out for you so you can look at them up closer even. Okay, once you back up for a minute and let me get the frame out for us. Okay.
Ooh, that one would be the best.
This one is gonna be heavy, I think. Wow.
Is it heavy?
There's the queen.
Where? Where?
She has that dot.
Where is she?
Do you see the one with the dot right there?
No.
At the top, right here, with the dot.
I can't find the dot.
Right there.
I don't see her dot.
Okay, well you gotta keep looking. It's a white dot right there.
Oh, now I see it.
Uh-huh.
I see the queen.
She's nice and relaxed.
That's because you smoked her.
Yeah.
Can the
Let's
bees,
put her back in.
Can the bees get stung by the bees?
I don't think so.
Because
Yeah, we'll have to move her. Come on, girl, go on. I don't know why. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna smoke these bees
I heard her.
so they get off.
I heard her stinger slap on the middle.
And now that there's a little bit of space, I'm gonna set the frame on here. This extra.
Oh my gosh, I see a chunk of honey in that. A chunk of in that one.
Okay, so now they've got a whole nother place to make their home.
So they have a really tall one.
Yep. So we're gonna make sure that these are pushed in
Why do they
all
have
the way.
handles on them?
Why does what have a handle on what? Oh, because they get really heavy when they're full of honey and stuff. Okay, this one's looking great. So we're ready to go.
Yeah, when I pass this, the
Okay.
bees know, oh, better get in my hive.
We got brood chamber, queen excluder, honey super, and then empty feeder that I'll come back and feed. So that is our new setup for them. Plenty of space. Okay, I've gone through 4 completely empty frames in this super weak hive. There are some bees at least. This is a frame of brood that we pulled from another hive and put in. It's doing well. And
Why
then
is there a bee with a black?
I know, I don't know why that bee with the black is in there. Looks different. But then they're just kind of agitated and I don't think they have any honey. So we're gonna keep looking to see if we can add a couple more frames from another strong hive. Okay guys, here's my solution for ants robbing. Didn't know what else to do, so I kind of put a piece of duct tape on and then put a big long strip upside down, and so hopefully all the ants get stuck there. This is here's the ant in question robbing. The hive is really weak, so they aren't being very good defensors, and I kind of wonder, there's like a big crack here on my feeder, so I might try and take that off and fix it. Okay, so there are a lot of bees over here because 2 of these frames have quite a bit of honey on them. There's one, and I think that's my other one. So a lot of bees getting some of that honey. Okay, we've got one, which is the mean hive, which is now getting pretty nice. And we've got 4, which is starting to be the more dominant hive. So I'm thinking about taking some frames from 4 and putting them in 2, because 2 is about almost nothing. So any resources I'm gonna steal from this one. All right, just a peek through here. I did not, oh boy, leave me alone. I did not put a queen excluder on here. So a little bit more action, but still nothing really built yet. So we'll take this apart. All right, it is crazy to think that this was just a nuke a few weeks ago, because we are busy. So I don't know that I need to, I guess I'll take it apart a little bit because I gotta take some resources to give it to 2, but wow, what a beautiful hive. I guess for people that don't know, the back of this tool, you can kind of put it in that hole and then it pries up against the other so it disconnects it, which is kind of neat. Same for this one. Disconnects it. Wow, these bees are so nice. So nice. Okay, now I'm gonna take this out. This is one of the short ones. Ooh, looks good, guys. I did this just to see if they wanted to build any drone brood on the bottom half. I don't see my queen, so I really like using this nuke instead of the side thing, so there's the side thing annoys me, so I'm using this. Okay, looks great. Okay, I'm going to have a look at this one. Watch out, little girls. Okay. Oh yeah. Lots of resources here, so I think I'm gonna steal this one and put it in the other one. I'm gonna spritz all these bees with sugar water to make them more accepting. Don't see the queen on here. And just toss that guy in here. There we go. Okay, I wouldn't have expected to see the queen there, but you know, you always go look. So can always talk to him like that. Here's my other one. And we've got our queen right here, so we are no longer concerned that you know, I'm gonna put it accidentally in the other hive. So now that I've found my queen and spotted her, I'm good to put other resources, other frame into the other hive. The bees are kind of going crazy right now because of this honey I left out. So they're getting pretty excited and cleaning it all up. Go girls, go. Oh yeah. And so what I'm going to do to this hive is I'm going to take my sugar spray. I'm gonna start spritzing these bees, and when they clean them, they're going to kind of like have less pheromones. So I don't know, that's the idea at least. Okay, plenty of sugar. This swarm is kind of going nuts. They're just trying to make sure there's, oh, I guess there's some honey in there actually. But boy, howdy, are they interested in this. Who would have known it was this fast? They swarm on it. Pretty cool. So I'm gonna let them clean those 2 frames up, and I just went and got some blank ones so we can fill these up and not have empties. All right, so I've got quite a bit going on here now. I've got my my 10 frame, and I have swapped I thought 2. I guess these 2 frames. Geez, they're already all over them. So I swapped 2 out and took resources from this 10 frame and put them over into number 2 that is tiny, but it's also a 10 frame. Figured they didn't need 4 new frames of resources / brood, so just did 2. Now I'm going to add this brood chamber for the queen to do whatever she pleases with, and I am still going to keep my super on top. So yeah, here we go. Look at these lovely bees. They're just so lovely. Cannot believe I was beekeeping for so long and didn't realize that there are nice bees out there. My personal recommendation would be never ever ever get Russian bees, because they're not any fun. Yeah. Okay, I was trying to put my super back on top of this brood chamber, and this stuff is making it not sit right. So I'm going to scrape that off. If it's in your way, you don't need it. I still get, you can see this bee kind of buzzing at me. I still get some of this temperament with this mean hive. But oh my goodness, is it much better. So there's not much up here, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this off.